Hey guys, welcome to this video where we'll be doing a how to paint a skateboard video and also how to get a really nice finish on it in the end. Now this was a commission that I did recently and I thought I'd just film it. So the first thing you want to do is start off with some really high quality decks. I always like to use the 7-ply Canadian maple. They come pre-varnished and they're really good for skating or just hanging up on the wall. So just start off by grabbing some sandpaper, giving it a good sand just so you got something for your paint to stick onto. Next thing you want to do is wipe away that dust with some paper towel or some wet tissues just to get it nice and clean. Now the next step is optional, but it's something I always like to do just to get my boards looking a little bit more legit, and that's just to put some tape around the outside edge. Alright, now it's time to paint. So I always use some spray cans just to get some good coverage, and also the colors always really pop. Just apply your paint nice and light. You don't really need to go too heavy because the last thing you want is some runs. Just have fun. So once you're done with your background, it's always good to apply a layer of clear gesso, and that's just to fill in all the little bumps and spots that the spray paint might create because it's a bit rough. So I always apply it with a spray gun as well just to keep it nice and smooth, and this always helps with the final clear coat and keeping that really shiny as well. Once you're done with your gesso, it's optional to sand that down if you want, you don't really have to. And once you're done with that, just get started with your artwork. At this stage you can use Poscas or acrylics with brushes. I always use the airbrush because that's just what's easiest for me, just to get some nice clean lines, and it's nice and quick as well. So once you're done with your artwork, you can start applying some clear coat. The first coat you want to do is really light and just dust it on from a bit of a distance, and just go over it really lightly. Then with your second and third coats, get in a bit closer and get the paint a bit thicker. And then to get a really shiny clear coat, you want to apply maybe 3 or 4 coats. In this particular case I did 5.